Good day everyone, I'm Realin Villagrimas and this video is all about the evolution of media. My insights about the evolution of media has been a transformative journey reflecting changes in technology, culture, and society. The evolution of media has been marked by technological advancements that have changed how people access and share information. The media has also changed how people understand culture and interacting with each other. Here are some key insights into this evolution, including number one, print media. Early news was spread through print media such as newspaper. And the second is radio and television. In the 20th century, the advent of radio and television brought mass communication to the forefront, allowing information and entertainment to be broadcast to large audience. This era introduced the power of visual media, shaping public opinion and creating a shared cultural experience. The third is the internet. The internet changed how people access and share information. Fourth, social media. Social media platforms like Facebook, Twitter, and Instagram accelerated the pace of change. 5. New media. New media includes search engine optimization, pay-per-click advertising, content marketing, social media, and email. 6. Rise of streaming and on-demand content. The transition from scheduled programming on traditional TV to streaming platforms like Netflix, Spotify, and YouTube has transformed how people consume entertainment and news. Audience can now choose what, when, and how they consume media, further eroding traditional broadcasting models.